Hi there, I'm Giovanni Stoshin and I'm the founder of G Medical Massage. Today I want to talk about what cleaning products we're using to ensure the health and safety of you when you walk through our door. First of all, we use all EPA approved products such as Clorox, Simple Green, Pine Sol, and Lysol. We use them for hard surfaces, fabrics, and of course the air. In addition, we also have essential oils for air purification, and we also have HEPA air filters and fans and air conditioning units to ensure proper circulation. Our final process of cleaning is also we have a UV light, and that'll kill anything. In addition, all of our therapists have received additional certification for infection and disease safety control. What's the difference between cleaning and disinfecting? Well, first of all, cleaning is removing any type of dirt, dust, grime, oil, debris from your hard surface. And believe it or not, our hands contain oil. So once we do a first pass of cleaning, then it's very important to disinfect everything. And typically the disinfection process requires alcohol, and you want to make sure that you're using products that also kill viruses and bacteria. Again, your health and safety is our top priority. For a list of all of our COVID policies, please go to our website at www.g-spamassage.com under COVID policies.